Deepika, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about one of my favorite liquid lipsticks. These are the Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks. If you're interested to know my thoughts on these liquid lipsticks and also the 5 swatches that I'm going to show you, stay tuned. Before we get into the video, if this is the first time you're watching my video, please do consider subscribing to my channel. And also, if you like this video and found this video helpful, do not forget to hit on the thumbs up button before leaving. Alright, so let's begin with the review. Dose of Color liquid lipsticks are available at Ulta and also on their website doseofcolors.com. I will leave both the links in the description box below so you can check out. And they come in 38 colors, I think 36 or 38 colors. So the color range is very vast. And they retail for $18, which I feel is a very good price for a liquid lipstick. Even though the quality is impeccable, the price is slightly lower than some of the high-end liquid lipsticks out there. A lot of the times you can grab these at 50% off, which is $9, and also you can earn points on ulta.com. That's how I got a few of my shades as well, which is an amazing value. You're getting such good quality liquid lipsticks for just a drugstore price of $9. So I would say better shop at Ulta for these liquid lipsticks. I came across Dose of Colors on YouTube itself, but the first time I saw their products were at IMAX, I think in 2015 or 16, when I went to IMAX New York. I first saw their products. The booth itself was amazing. The bags that were giving out with the products were so colorful, and I just love the whole vibe of the brand. And as you can see, the packaging is so classy with the white cap. Now there's a new packaging with black cap, but I prefer the white cap. It's so classy, it's beautiful. It's a short and stubby tube and doesn't take up much space, and I really like this frosted glass, and you can exactly see the color of the lipstick shade, and the logo itself is beautiful, very classy packaging. Also met the founder of Dose of Colors, so I'll just put a picture right here from 2000, I don't remember, I think it's 2015 or 16 in April in New York. So that's when I grabbed 2 liquid lipsticks. From there it was very hard to even grab these because they were selling off really fast. There was a long queue. I just waited for a very long time to grab these. First we'll talk about the formula and how it applies, and we'll talk about the shades later. So coming to the applicator, it's a standard doe foot applicator, but there's a little dip. As you can see, there's a little dip which grabs or holds the product, enough product to coat your entire lips. And also the tip is not too fine, but then it's pretty easy to line your lips and also define your cupid's bow. So I really like the applicator, and one dip is all you need to have full opacity on your lips. Now to the formula, I see a change in formula. There's no consistency. So some shades, these two are a little more runny. They have a little more oiliness to it. So I personally like this formula. It's more lighter, it's more moisturizing, and the application was easy. It's more comfortable on the lips. While the other 3 shades that I have are thick and mousse and more airy. Especially this lighter color was applying way too patchy and it wasn't comfortable. So I really have to move around the product a little more to get the full opacity and a proper look on my lips. So there's no consistency in the formula. Otherwise you will have a very pigmented lip color on your lips. You just need to work a little more if the color you pick is more thick. But otherwise I really don't have much complaint except that with the formula. And also these lipsticks are transfer proof. Once the color is on your lips, it stays put and you will not see any transfer on your coffee mugs or anywhere. Only if you eat something oily you would see transfer, but it's normal. I mean, something has to take the lipstick off, right? So only greasy food or if you remove it with the oil, only then you can remove the lipstick completely off your lips. And these are foolproof day-long liquid lipsticks. You put it in the morning and you really don't have to worry about your lips until you come back home. These do not flake, these do not transfer, these do not budge, these do not bleed, nothing. So once there, they stay put. Now let's see the swatches of the 5 shades I have. course, I have my 5 beautiful shades. I only have to work a little bit with the lip liner for Old Flame, but the other 4 shades are beautiful on my lips. You really don't have to have Plum Queen and Mood. They both are pretty similar when you apply. I mean, the look is actually pretty similar, so you really don't need both of those. So what I'll do is I'll put a link to a couple of videos in the description box below, so you can see other YouTubers around similar skin color, and you can see more swatches, so you can decide which colors to get. So do check out the description box for a couple more YouTubers videos. And I have one complaint with these liquid lipsticks. I have a lot of liquid lipsticks I use. If they don't go bad, I use, but these liquid lipsticks actually dried out on me, and especially these 2 colors, I feel like they are almost at the end. I used Kiss of Fire like crazy. As you can see, half of the tube is empty, so that one I can understand. But even Bury Me too, I did use a lot, but I don't think that I used it to a level that I don't have any product. So these 2 colors are actually almost at the end of drying out, so I'll be tossing these away and I'll get new ones. But as I mentioned, these are actually pretty old. So the one complaint that I have is they do not have much shelf life. So if you are somebody who is into collecting a lot of colors, I wouldn't recommend getting these. Even though these are the perfect formula and everything is perfect, these don't have much shelf life. If you are somebody who gets 1 or 2 colors and uses them to last bit, then yes, definitely for the price, for the perfect formula, go for these. And I will personally repurchase these 2 shades because they are that perfect on my skin color, and I'll be getting more shades for sure. So that's all I have to say about Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks. If you like this video and found this video helpful, please hit on the thumbs up button, and also do consider subscribing to my channel. You can also follow me on my Instagram. I'm deepikamakeup there as well. I'll see you all very soon in my next video. Bye.